This partwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up partworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 28 of Building Robocop. In this issue, we're finishing the left leg. I was going to say right leg then, but it isn't. It's the left leg we've been building. So we'll get on with that. Looking at Irvin, he takes the reins of the film. Was it the second film? Or did he do the first one? I don't know. If you want to read the words about all the filmmaking, do that. The left thigh, yeah, we got the front panel to put in place to hold our seam line. Little decorative pieces that then snap in place. A bit back in the day. We've got a few issues back which I've sorted out. And then that's it. The leg's done. Ready to be attached when we start the torso. In the real world, we've got modular robots. That's the way to go, isn't it? Robots that can do lots of different robots that can do different things very well, combining to make one glorious whole. The extinction, cloning or reintroducing old things. It's Jurassic Park, isn't it? Populating Siberia with mammoths. Interesting. Yeah, that's quite cool. Sure, that will work well for something. Jurassic Park is anything to go by. It'll all be fine. So before I clear this out of the way, and we get on with the build, there is one thing. This issue does come, or this delivery comes with a free gift. There is a T-shirt which they've never asked the size. I'm sure one size fits some, but here we have a Robocop T-shirt. Let's open it up and have a look. It's quite nice. Printed, obviously, the screen print rather than embroidered or anything, but it does the job. And we've got Robocop in all of his glory on the front there. 2024, brand new. Yeah, that's quite nice. It'd be nice if it was a different colour other than black. Like a nice dark blue would go quite well with Robocop, but no, black is good. It's a size. It doesn't even bother telling you the size on there. It's the size that it is. So probably a little bit on the large side by the looks of that, but it's wearable. So I shall wear that at some point, and you may even catch it on live streams when I start doing Facecam live streams again, hopefully quite soon. So let's clear everything out the way and let's get on with the build. So from this part we get all of this. This is the tiny part that I've dug out of my box from issue 24, I believe. We've got some BM and BP screws, other decorative parts. First of all, we're going to be fitting this onto the leg. Goes on the front there and covers all of that seam, which is lovely. The trouble is getting it lined up properly over the little screw hole notches. And I know that is meant to be, there's a bit that goes up into there, so make sure it goes under at the bottom and in at the top. And that should okay in place. Yep. Very much like that. I'm loath to put this down because I don't want to damage the end bit there, so I shall get these screwed in off camera. There's two on each side. The metal ones, M screws going to the metal side. The plastic ones obviously going to the plastic side, which the metal side is the interior here. The plastic is the outside bit. So getting the right way around. I shall get those in and then we'll come and put the rest of it together. Okay, that's that all installed onto there. 4 screws have gone in nice and tight. It's all lined up. It looks like it belongs. Then we've got some decorative pieces to put on there. We've got the rod that goes right down the middle, which should just locate and snap in place in 2 or 3 places. All good stuff. That's then covered over by our bit, which has got OCP Police 001 on it. I wasn't aware that he had a serial number like that on his leg, but apparently he does. That goes over there. Again, just like that. that nicely pushed home. Good stuff. Then we've got, what have we got? On this side, we've got the part from before, which has a thick pin and a thin pin, and will only go one way round. It's thicker than that one. It's going to be that way round, I think. Yep. Nice. He's got a join, but we've obviously joined up the bits on there. I like it. I like it a lot. While we're on this side, we've got this piece to put in there. It'll only go one way around, so we are, in fact, covering that screw hole. I thought we might not, but we are. Goes in there. Not quite invisible, but does the job. Then the final piece to assemble on this leg is our circular cover, which again has pins that will only go one way round. There and there. So we have completed our second limb. We did an arm, didn't we? So we've now done a leg as well. I've fixed that bit so that wobbles a little bit when you move the ankle. A little bit concerned that that's a little bit floppy. But all I need to do is make sure the second foot is not floppy, and then we'll be okay. So that is now able to stand. I would say unaided, but it can't because it's it needs some support at the top. But we've got a leg completed with moving toes, moving ankle, moving knee. Knee is nice and tight. I can't get back into that to tighten that at all, but I'm sure it'll be fine. If not, I can struggle and take it all apart again, but I'm fairly happy with that. So now we can put that aside. I'll put aside my spares, and next time we're starting on the other leg. Well, I say starting, we've done the foot, haven't we? So, excuse me, won't be long until we're back with that, and I shall see you very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.